Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the problem if you can find other computer in on your local network. So I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. So first of all you just have to go to your search bar, search for control panel, and you can see after typing control, here's the control panel app here. Open the control panel, and then if you have category view here, you just have to choose large icons. After choosing large icons, you have to go to network and sharing center. Then you have to choose change advanced sharing settings. After opening that, you have to choose turn on in the guest or public, turn on both network discovery and also the file and printer sharing for if you want to share your file and printer local network. And in the private section here, you also have to turn both the turn on network discovery and turn on file and printer sharing, so choose both of that. So after that you just have to click save changes. Now you have to just close out of here, and now you have to just restart your PC. So hopefully that will resolve your problem if you cannot find other computers in local network. So that's it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.